Good morning, students. Welcome to the class of Social Science. Today we are going to continue with the topic landforms. As you already know that landforms are different physical features of the Earth's surface. Let's have a look at a few landforms and let's discuss about them. The first one is the isthmus. Students, as you can see in the picture, an isthmus is a narrow strip of land which joins the other two larger pieces of land. You can see in the picture that an isthmus is not surrounded by water from all the sides. Rather, it connects two larger pieces of land. This is the main difference between an island and an isthmus. Next is the picture of another landform called as plains. As you can see in the picture, these are the flatlands. And these are very fertile lands and ideal for farming. It is very easy to build up roads and buildings in these regions. These are flat and low-lying lands. Next physical feature of the earth is an island. As you can see in the picture, an island is a piece of land which is surrounded by water on all the sides. Australia is an example. It is an example of an island continent. Next we have a plateau. As you can see in the picture, it is a broad highland with a flat top. It is also called tableland. Its sides, as you can see in the picture, have steep slopes. Next physical feature of the earth are deltas. Deltas are formed when rivers are about to reach the oceans or the seas. The rivers, they carry the sediments. So when they reach the sea or an ocean, they slow down. And you can see in the picture that they form small distributaries in a triangular form called delta. It looks like a Greek letter. Let's have a look at today's worksheet. You have to choose the correct option and you have to fill in the blanks. This is your first question. A delta looks like the letter hashtag or a triangle. So the answer is triangle. And dash is a group of islands. Isthmus? No. It is a narrow strip of land collecting the two larger pieces of land. So the answer is no. This is not the correct answer. Next option is archipelago. So this is the name of a group of islands. Next is dash is a broad highland with a flat top. Easy. Plateau. Next, a narrow strip of land which joins the other two lands, larger pieces of land, is called as island or an isthmus. The answer is isthmus. Next is rivers carry sediments or distributaries. The answer is sediments. Rivers can form distributaries. They cannot carry them. Next is very easy, as we have discussed in the presentation. What is the other name of a plateau? The other name of a plateau is tableland. It is also called as a tableland. Next question says that you have to differentiate between an island and an isthmus. That means you have to write the major difference. As discussed in the video before, an island is surrounded by water from all the sides, but an isthmus is a narrow strip of land and it connects the other two larger pieces of land. So from that side, it is not covered with water. Next question. Why are plains thickly populated? As we discussed before, the plains are more populated because they have fertile land and this land is ideal for farming. Okay, it is easy to build roads and buildings in these regions because they have flat lands. So this is the reason why they are thickly populated. So that's all for today. We will meet in the next class. Goodbye.